Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to break down how to quickly fix your Avant credit card application rejection. Welcome to our channel if you've applied for an Avant credit card and received a rejection. Don't worry, this guide will walk you through practical steps to turn that no into a yes first. Understand why your application was declined. Avant typically rejects applications due to credit score issues, insufficient income information, or errors in the application. Start by checking your credit score through a reputable credit reporting service. A credit score under 580 usually causes problems with approval if your score is low. Take time to improve it, pay your bills on time, reduce debt, and avoid new credit inquiries. Before reapplying next, review your income details. Ensure all income sources you provided are accurate and verifiable. Avant wants to see steady and sufficient income to support your credit use if needed. Gather pay stubs, bank statements, or tax returns as evidence. Thirdly, double-check the application for any mistakes, typos, or incorrect data can lead to instant rejection. Carefully correct and verify every entry before resubmitting. Fourth step is to reduce outstanding debts. High credit utilization or multiple outstanding loans can hurt your application. Pay down credit card balances and loans as much as possible to improve your creditworthiness. Fifthly, consider waiting a bit before reapplying. Rushing to submit a new application immediately can backfire. Aim for at least 30 days of positive credit activity before trying again. Use this time to enhance your financial profile. If you want to dispute the rejection or understand it more clearly, request a free copy of your credit report and the exact reasons for denial. Avant is required to provide this information. When asked, knowing the specific reasons can help you tailor your next application better. Lastly, if you feel overwhelmed, consider seeking advice from a certified credit counselor. They can offer personalized guidance and strategies to improve your chances of approval. Following these steps can greatly increase your odds of approval on your next Avant credit card application. Remember, thoroughness and patience are key in this process. Don't get discouraged. Turn these insights into action, and soon you'll have that approval notification in your inbox. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video.